What's up everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to add BOBA network to MetaMask wallet. First thing we need to do, we need to download and install and set up MetaMask wallet. If you've never done this before, I'm going to leave a link in the description below on how to install and set up MetaMask wallet. Then what we're going to have to do, we're going to have to go to this website and we're going to have to copy this information, and that info will go into MetaMask wallet. So let me split the screen real quick. Once you have your MetaMask installed and set up, we'll have to open it up. By default, it's going to be set to Ethereum mainnet. We'll have to press on this little caret to drop the menu, and then right here we're going to have to press on add network. Then this window is going to appear. That's where we're going to copy all this information and we're going to paste it in here. Once we have this done, we need to press on save, and that's it. BOBA Layer 2 is added to your MetaMask wallet, and then if we open it up through extension, this is what it's going to look like. And if you need to switch over back, you'll just have to press on this little caret and you can press on Ethereum mainnet and it's going to switch over. Then if, let's say for example, you need to import some kind of token, you can press on import token, and right here that's where you're going to put that contract address and then symbol, and decimal point is going to be filled automatically, and then you'll just have to press on add custom token and it's going to be added to your chain. So let's do this really quick. If we go to mainnet explorer and right here let's choose some kind of token, let's choose BOBA token, and then this is the contract address we're going to copy really quick, and then we're going to paste it here. As you can see, BOBA and decimal is 18, add custom token and import token, and that's it. And as you can see, it was added over here under assets. And this is pretty much it. All the information I'm going to leave in the description below. And if this video is helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.